Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make flan with custard powder. First, gather your ingredients: 100 grams of custard powder, 500 milliliters of milk, and 100 grams of sugar. You'll also need a small amount of water to dissolve the custard powder. Having everything at room temperature helps ensure a smooth, lump-free mixture. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious dessert. Next, let's prepare the custard base. Take your 100 grams of custard powder and dissolve it thoroughly in a small amount of cold water, creating a smooth paste. Meanwhile, gently heat 500 milliliters of milk and 100 grams of sugar in a saucepan over medium heat. Stir continuously until all the sugar has completely dissolved into the milk. This ensures a sweet and even flavor throughout your flan. Now, for the cooking process. Gradually pour the dissolved custard powder paste into the hot milk and sugar mixture in the saucepan. It's crucial to stir constantly as you do this to prevent lumps from forming. Continue stirring over medium heat until the mixture begins to thicken significantly, reaching a pudding-like consistency. Cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes to ensure it's fully cooked and will set perfectly. Finally, it's time to set and serve your delicious flan. Carefully pour the hot, thickened mixture into your chosen molds or a single serving dish. Let it cool down at room temperature for approximately 30 minutes before transferring it to the refrigerator. Chill the flan for a minimum of 4 hours or until it is completely firm. Once set, invert onto a plate and enjoy your homemade, creamy flan.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.